we are asked, what fraction is located at point A on the number line? And we can see point A right there. Pause this video and see if you can answer that. All right, now there's a bunch of ways that you could think about it. You could see that the space between 0 and 1 is split into 1, 2, 3, 4 equal spaces. And this has gone 3 of those 4 equal spaces from 0 to 1. So that's one interesting way to think about it. Another thing that might help us is a bit of a visualization. If this rectangle represents a whole, and notice it goes from 0 to 1, so you could view 1 as a whole, we have split it into 4 equal sections. So each of these equal sections you would consider a fourth. So that's a fourth right over there. That's another fourth right over there. This is another fourth right over there. So how many of these fourths have been shaded in? Well, 3 of them have been shaded in. And when you look at the number line, you see the same idea. When we see the space between 0 and 1, it has been split into fourths. So this is a fourth, and then another fourth, and then another fourth, and another fourth. And where's point A? Well, we have gone 1 fourth, 2 fourths, 3 fourths past 0, or from 0 to 1, which is a whole. So what fraction is located at point A on the number line? 3 fourths. Let's do another example. So here, we're told which point is at 2/6 on the number line. Pause this video and see if you can answer it on your own before we work through it together. And I'll give you a little bit of a hint. Let's imagine that this rectangle represents a whole. And notice it is divided into 6 equal sections. So each of those sections is a sixth. And so if I start at 0, how many would I fill in to get 2/6? And what would be the corresponding point on the number line? All right, now let's do it together. So if each of these is a sixth, and we have 6 sixths there, so that would be a whole, and that's good because it goes from 0 to 1, and you could view 1 as a whole. 2/6 is, so that's 1/6 right over there, and then that is 2/6. And so you could see on the number line, the thing that gets us 2/6 of the way to 1 is at point B. It corresponds to how much we've filled up that rectangle, point B right over there. Now, another way that you could think about it, you could see that the space between 0 and 1 is split up into 6 equal sections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equal sections. And we want to go to 2/6. 2/6. So each of those equal sections, we are increasing by a sixth. So we're going from 0 to 1/6 to 2/6. Once again, we end up at point B.